Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken a Maths Olympiad question from algebra. Question is find all triples x, y, z that satisfy x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 minus 4 times of x, y, z equals to minus 1. So this is a Diophantine equation, that means three variables, only one equation is there. So we have to apply some critical thinking. So rewriting this equation, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 minus 4xyz plus 1 equals to 0. So to make x to the power 4 is x square and y to the power 4 is y square. So I need a 2x square y square here to make a whole square. So what I'll do, I'll add 2x square y square and subtract 1 2x square y square. Similarly, z to the power 4 is z square and 1 is there. So I need a 2z square term. So I'll subtract another 2z square term. And there was your 4xyz equals to 0. Next is, so this step is very important. Next is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square. I'll take in a group to make a whole square plus z to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2z square. I'll take another group. Then what remains? Remains is your 2x square y square, 2z square and minus 4xyz. It is another group. So now it is very simple. First one is x square minus y square whole square. Second one is z square minus 1 whole square. And from third one, if we take 2 common, it will be xy minus z whole square. So since all are squares and their sum is 0, so each of the term is 0. Since square cannot be negative. So it doesn't equals to 0. So first is I am getting the condition x square minus y square equals to 0, or this gives us x square equals to y square, or this is x equals to plus minus y. Next is z square minus 1 equals to 0. So z square equals to 1, or z equals to plus minus 1. And third possibility is, third square is xy minus z equals to 0. So z equals to x into y. So when z equals to, first I am taking case 1, starting from your z equals to, if I take positive 1, then x and y equals to 1. What does it mean? X and y, either they are positive or both are negative. So xy equals to z, that means the product of xy is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So first solution I am getting 1, 1, 1, and it may happen both are negative 1. So minus 1, 1 and 1. Next, when case 2, z equals to negative 1. When z equals to negative 1, xy is equal to negative 1. then the x and y are opposite sign. So other two possibility will be 1, -1, -1, or -1, 1, -1. So there are four solutions equals to 1, -1, 1, 1, then -1, 1, -1, 1, -1, -1. So these are the solutions. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching.